Hello, I am Dr. Sachin Kuber and I am from www.circumcision-clinic.in, a surgical specialty center for circumcision in Pune, Maharashtra, India. And this is a highly specialized circumcision center which offers various varieties of circumcision, that is Alice clamp circumcision, surgical circumcision, basic circumcision, advanced circumcision, cosmetic circumcision, and circumcision reversal, also revision circumcision, difficult circumcisions, the people who have pierced penis circumcision. So we are a specialty center who offers a different types of circumcision to all the people, all the men. We don't do circumcision in females. This is a male only circumcision center in Pune. And I am Dr. Sachin Kuber. I am MS General Surgeon and I am doing practice since last 14 years in Pune city. And till now we have done thousands of circumcision surgeries in Pune. So basically we are expert circumcision center in Pune city. Now I want to talk about the circumcision procedure, also the person who is suffering from various diseases. So are you suffering from phimosis, are you suffering from paraphimosis, or are you suffering from difficulty in foreskin retraction, that is the person who cannot take his foreskin back on his glans penis. So these are the problems which occur frequently. Also there is one problem called as balanitis or balanoposthitis. Also there is one problem that is called as BXO, that is balanoposthitis, as well as balanitis xerosis obliterans. So for these problems you need some surgical intervention. Also there are few patients who have diabetes and due to that the foreskin becomes swollen and it becomes difficult to retract over glans penis. So these all problems prevent the normal intercourse, normal sexual intercourse. So that's why we are offering the best circumcision services here in Pune. All these conditions can be treated with or without surgery. There is a special technique that we have recently introduced in our clinic, that is called as Alice clamp circumcision or active clamp circumcision. This circumcision helps to do patients without blood loss. This is a bloodless, stitchless and painless surgery or a non-surgical circumcision. So in this Alice clamp circumcision the pain is almost nil. So this is the Alice clamp and active clamp. This we offer to our patients. This is very useful in treating the phimosis or other problems. This is very particularly useful for babies, particularly useful for the people who are active in their lifestyle, means the people who are working and they don't have time to stay at home after surgery. So this Alice clamp circumcision helps them to get to their job very quickly. So the beauty of the procedure is the same day you can go to swimming, same day you can take shower. So this is very useful for the active lifestyle people, also useful for babies. So I request you to visit our website, that is www.circumcision-clinic.in for more details. My phone number is 020-2449-0020, or you can visit us on Facebook for Circumcision Clinic. Also on Twitter we are there on Circumcision Clinic. So I request you to do subscribe our channel so that you will get detailed information on circumcision time to time from my end. So this is Dr. Sachin Kuber and I would like to meet you every day. We are producing more videos. Thank you.